Okay, guys, thank you so much for being with us. Yes, and I hope you like our workshop and you have some good experience in this online experience of Seasunsalsa. Yes, and guys, we want to invite you to follow us in Instagram and Facebook. Facebook, Azael Sindi Bachata Fever, and Instagram, Azael Bachata Fever, Sindi Bachata Fever. And guys, right now, we have something very important to share with you, and it's about creativity, yes? All the time we receive these questions like how we create these movements or these new variations. And guys, you know, I really love create moves, and not because I need to create new things to be in this environment, in this business, to have all the time something trending. Is because I really love to create. You know, it's part of my personality. It's who I am, and I want to share with you the creative process. Okay, like how I create new moves, and the important thing, guys, about to create new moves should be first something that should be leadable, should be social, that you have fun and will surprise the follower. Yes, remember, we dance to make the girl shine. This is our philosophy, you know. I'm really trying like the movement of the guy don't compete with the movement of the girl. Yes, we try like the girl, we are the frame. Yes, we need to be a good frame, yes, for the girl, yes. So we don't stress the girl. When we are dancing social, we try to make movements that are not aggressive, that are not rude, or with a sexual connotation sexual. I don't know how to say it in English. Yes, so we should make a really nice experience for the girls when we are dancing with them, you know. Now, the best way to express how I can create, guys, is to show some of our signature moves. Okay, so in this way I can tell you how you can create this movement. So I will start with this one that we call Bad Guy. This movement, yes, is one of our signature moves, guys. And I will explain you how everything this movement came. So first, this movement is like this. I will show you. Yes, we are here. We mark a wave. I throw the hand. I throw back. I open here, and that's it. You see, this is the movement, guys.